The original supplier ghosted after hitting a process bottleneck, stalling the project. The customer urgently needed a reliable partner for mass production. The Reflector requires spinning, punching, precision cutting, and anodizing. The core challenge: edge trimming must be precise, avoid deformation, and meet strict assembly gap standards matching the sample. We first tried stamping, but it lacked the precision needed and couldn't match the sample. After multiple trials, we switched to wire edge cutting, solving everything. Edges were precise and damage-free, assembly gaps matched perfectly, and the anodized finish even outshone the original sample. The customer tested the samples on site. Assembly and reflective performance all passed. Highly satisfied, they fast-tracked mass production and sealed a batch partnership. Need to make any copper spinning parts? Contact us right now. Email info@richspinning.com.